औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। Dear students, welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, M. Ruksana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Bellary. Dear students, let us discuss 1-mark questions from international institutions. This is the 5th lesson of political science. First, we will discuss the blanks. Afterwards, we will discuss the 1-mark questions, children. First blank is the UNO was founded in the year dash. In the year 1945. Second blank, the head office of the UNO is in dash city. Right answer is New York. Third question, third blank, the subsidiary of the UNO which appears like a cabinet committee is dash. In this blank you have to write down Security Council. Fourth blank, the term of the office of international judges is dash year, 5 year. Fifth blank, the International Court of Justice is in dash Hague. Sixth blank, the World Health Organization, that is WHO, was founded in the year dash 1948. Seventh blank, the SAARC means South Asian Association for the Regional Cooperation was founded in the year 1985. Let us start now. 1-mark questions, children. First one is, who started UNO? Answer is Winston Churchill, Joseph Stalin, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Second question, in which conference UNO was started? In which San Francisco conference UNO was started? Third question, when was United Nations Organization founded? That is UNO. Answer, on October 24th, 1945. Question number 4. Which organization of UNO is considered as global parliament? Answer is General Assembly. Question number 5. Which organization is considered cabinet of UNO? Answer is Security Council. Question number 6. Mention the permanent members. Mention the permanent members of Security Council. Answer is France, USA, UK, Russia and China. USA, UK, France, Russia and China. Next question. Who select the judge of International Court of Justice? Answer is Security Council. Question number 8. Why Trusteeship Council has become inactive now? Answer, this has become inactive now as there is no trustee left. Question number 9. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? Answer is at Hague. Question number 10. Who is the head of the executive body of UNO? Answer is General Secretary. Question number 11. Who elects the General Secretary of UNO? Answer is the General Assembly as per the suggestions of Security Council. One more time I will explain here. I will continue here. The General Assembly as per the suggestion of Security Council elects the General Secretary of UNO. Question number 12. Where is the headquarters of Secretariat? Answer is at New York. Question number 13. Mention the branch offices of Secretariat. Geneva, Vienna and then Nairobi. Question number 14. Who will run the day-to-day administration of the UNO and institutional functions? Answer is by the Secretariat. Question number 15. What is the full form of GATT? General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. Question number 16. Where is the headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization, that is FAO? Answer is Rome. Question number 17. Where is the headquarters of the World Health Organization? Answer is Geneva. Question number 18. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO? Answer is Paris. Question number 19. Which organization is founded the benefit of the children? Answer, United Nations International Emergency Fund, UNICEF. Organized is the founded for the benefit for the children. This organization is benefited for the children. Question number 20. Which institution is known for its human outlook? Answer is United Nations International Emergency Fund. Where is the headquarters of International Monetary Fund? New York. Answer is New York. Question number 22. What is the other name of International Bank for Reconstruction and Development? IBRD. Answer is World Bank. Question number 23. Where is the headquarters of International Labour Organization? Answer is Geneva. Question number 24. Which organization is considered as the third important pillar of the world trade along with IMF and World Bank? Answer is WTO, World Trade Organization. Next question, children. When was Commonwealth of Organizations, question number 25th is, when was Commonwealth of Nations founded? Answer is 1926. Question number 26. Expand SAARC. Answer is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Question number 27. When was SAARC founded? Answer is in the year 1985. Question number 28, children. Mention the member nations of SAARC. Answer is India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Maldives, Bhutan and Afghanistan. 8 countries are the members nations of SAARC. Question number 29. Where is the headquarters of SAARC? Answer is Nepal. Answer is Kathmandu. It is in Nepal. Question number 30. What is the full form of ASEAN? Answer is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Who are the founding members of ASEAN? Answer is Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand are the founding members of ASEAN. Next question, children. What is veto power? Answer is a single negative vote of permanent members. Question number 33. Which is the organ in the most powerful body in UNO? Answer is Security Council. Question number 34. How many countries signed in the Conference of UNO held at San Francisco in the year 1945? Answer is 51 countries. Next question. Which organ of UNO is called as the Global Parliament? Answer is General Assembly. Next question, children. This is the last question. Which is the organization established after the First World War to prevent future wars? Answer is League of Nations. Thank you. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. Please take care of your health, children. Allah Hafiz.